So I'm going to tell you how to use TikTok to grow your YouTube channel. It's a really simple process. All you do is you attach a link to your YouTube channel on your profile of your TikTok account. And all you do, see, the thing is, I just got a phone that could use TikTok about 5 weeks ago, about a little over a month ago, and it's really simple. Once my old phones didn't actually used to be able to use TikTok because it was a very bad phone, but um, my new phone can use TikTok. So I've been using TikTok for about 5 weeks now, and my YouTube channel has been growing because I've been using TikTok. There are problems with that, however. There are problems with the growth I'm getting from TikTok. I'm not getting as many, I'm not getting as much organic growth from YouTube as I used to. That's one of the reasons why I really am going hard at TikTok, because most of my views really are coming from TikTok. Because I feel like the YouTube algorithm is only going to help you so much. They're only going to give you limited opportunities to grow. They're only going to recommend you a limited number of times to other people searching on YouTube. So you really have to use other platforms to promote your channel. But in some ways that hurts your YouTube channel too, because you're going to get less organic growth the more you use other platforms to promote your material. Because people aren't going to look for you as much on YouTube, because they're going to say, hey, these guys, they watch his videos for 24 seconds and then they turn away. So they're going to say, oh, that's not legit. However, it's still good. It's still good when they watch it for 24 seconds. You want them to watch it for 24 seconds if that option is available. You'd rather have them watch it for 2 seconds than not watch it at all. Because if they watch it for 2 seconds, that's a little blip in the algorithm, and that's a little blip. That's a tiny bolt of electricity. If they watch it for 2 seconds, it's a tiny bolt of electricity. It's gonna go through all your videos, and all your videos are gonna be more seen um, because you had that little blip of someone watching 2 seconds of it. You might think it might not be worth anything, but it is worth something. A lot of people only watch 2 seconds of a TikTok video, and that's counts the same. It's still a view. Um, Here's the thing you have to understand. Um, you have to figure out ways to promote your YouTube channel, and TikTok. The more content you make on TikTok, the more they will click the link to go to your YouTube channel. And you want to make as many videos as you can a day. If you can make 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos a day, you should do that. If you can only make 1, 2, or 3, then you should do that. You should make whatever number of videos you can make. You should make whatever you can make, and you should do that. You should do whatever you can, and that's how much you should make for TikTok. And YouTube the same way. If you ideally you could make one YouTube video a week, or one a day, or one a month. Whatever you can do on YouTube is good. It's all good. It's all helpful. I do daily vlogs personally, and I try to make 5 TikTok videos a day, 5 days a week. I work 2 days a week, so I don't have time to make it on those 2 days a week. But the rest of the week, I do like making 5 of those a day, and then I just do yoga the rest of the day, and that's my day. Is I do yoga and I make as many TikTok videos. I do once every hour basically. I make a TikTok video, and then I do something else the rest of the day, probably more yoga or whatever. So it's important to use other platforms to promote your YouTube channel. And that's really all there is to it. I don't think I have anything more to say about that. It's just you just make TikTok videos, and they will see it, and they'll go to your YouTube channel. Um, it One problem I have with YouTube over the years is I'm like kind of dependent on other platforms promoting my videos on other platforms, and it's kind of gotten to the point with YouTube where I'm not really growing anymore, but I am still growing. I'm just growing based on the marketing from TikTok, or Twitter works the same way. For Twitter, every tweet I do gets about 13 impressions. For TikTok, every video I do makes about 20 impressions. So TikTok's a little bit better than Twitter. I was doing Twitter for a while, but I get better results on TikTok, honestly, and it's easier. It's easier on TikTok, and you have to put less thought into it. Whereas Twitter, you know, you put more thought into it, and you kind of get less results on Twitter. But Twitter does work. It's just I think TikTok works better than Twitter for promoting your material, your YouTube material. So, and it's frustrating though because my channel is not really growing, but it is sort of growing. It's not growing, but it is sort of growing. Does that make any sense? It's sort of growing, but it's not totally growing. If you look at the stats, it says it is growing this month. It has grown, but it's a very tiny amount, and it's so negligible that next month it's going to be shrinking again, or next month it's just going to be stagnating again. It's always the same thing with YouTube. You put in this effort, and then it just stagnates. But I believe in continuing to put effort into it. I believe in because there's going to be dips and valleys, and there's going to be upswings, and that's the thing about content creation is there's going to be days where you get a lot of progress, and there's going to be days where you don't make any progress. So it's important to keep going. It is a complicated experience, but you do it anyways because it's what you're passionate about, and you make content what you're passionate about. It's what you believe in. So that's it. I guess I believe in it. I don't know if I actually believe in this stuff, but it means something to me, and it means something to me that people see it. So it might be stupid, whatever. I might be a stupid person for doing this, but hey, whatever. Let me know in the comments below. Do you use TikTok to grow your YouTube channel? Does that work for you? It works pretty well for me, but let me know in the comments how well it works for you. Because my channel is growing from TikTok. It's just not really growing organically on YouTube. It's just only growing from TikTok. So I have to make 5 videos a day on TikTok if I want it to grow. It's just kind of annoying, but honestly, I don't mind making those because they're kind of fun. Please subscribe to this channel to be part of the community. Please like this video. It really helps out the channel a lot. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.